What's going on, everybody? JP here, and this is going to be a quick little unboxing video of a new product I just received in the mail today, and that product is the Rotopax RototraX. This is their new version of the off-road recovery board. So if you know anything about off-roading and overlanding and off-road recovery, you know there's a really popular product out there, the maxtrax, which everybody seems to have. Comes in a whole bunch of different colors, but the one downside to the maxtrax is its price. Right now the MK2 recovery boards are going for $299.99 for a pair of boards. Their MK2 Extreme version is now listed at $499.99. So for a lot of people at that price point, it just prices you out of being able to get those boards. There are some other companies out there that have a cheaper option that go for like 49 bucks, 100 bucks. But from what I've seen of those boards, they don't seem as rugged and as good quality as the maxtrax. The RototraX boards, from what I've seen on their website, is an attempt to compete with the maxtrax directly by making a really good board. Alright, so get ready for this. Their introductory price on their website was $99.95, under 100 bucks. Their listed retail price was $149.95, but they had a $50 off introductory price. The only color they have available is black. That's what I got to take a look at and eventually demo. So $99.95 plus $30 for the shipping. For $130, got a set of recovery boards. So when you think about that, you could get a complete set of 4, one for each tire, for 200 bucks, probably with the shipping around 30 bucks to 230, and you're still way under the maxtrax price. So that's really awesome. All right, so I'm gonna do an unboxing, show you what it looks like. I haven't opened it yet. I'm gonna measure it out, see how the specs are, and go from there. So let's take a look. All right, let's get to it. Alright, so first impression, I can bend these. I can flex the sides in. So I can bend these. So they seem pretty soft. I don't know if I could bend the maxtrax. I don't have them. So I'm working on getting a set to do a direct comparison when I take these out to demo them on the sand. As far as vertical flex, can't bend it. So it's got nice big teeth. And then the one other thing that it does do differently than maxtrax is that it uses the Rotopax system to mount. So here and here. It does also have 1, 2, 3 handles on each side. And you can see the inside. It's molded plastic. So on the Rotopax website, it says it's 45 inches tall, 13 inches wide, which is the exact same dimensions as the maxtrax. They give a 1-year warranty on broken boards, but they don't warranty melted or warped boards. The maxtrax has a lifetime warranty. Alright, so as you can see, they stack together nicely. So this set of boards, per their website, is 11.5 pounds. maxtrax lists on their website, each board is 8 pounds. So the set of maxtrax is 16, this is 11.5. So that's 4.5 pounds. I don't know if that makes a huge difference. Alright, so let's measure it up, see how the measurements look. Alright, so it's actually 44 3/4 long. it's actually 11 3/4 inches wide, so it's not 45 by 13. One thing you can see, I don't know if you can see, but there's a little curvature here where it's like the handle is the rigid point, and then this point here where it is able to flex, it's kind of bending in. So yeah, basically I can really like manipulate this so it's not really that stiff. You know, the biggest thing would be the flex point like this if you wanted to use it as a bridge over a log or between two shallow points that you can't get through. But it's a little, let me see. I'm going to move the camera a little bit and show you this little flex test. Alright, so I'm just going to stand and put a little pressure right in the middle. I don't know if you can see that it's already flexing. So I actually put a little bend in it. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing of the Rotopax RototraX recovery board. I'm not going to be that great of a sign guy on the street corner, but I could try. A little bit. Alright, so alright, so first impressions, I don't know. I'm still kind of up in the air, you know. It's a little, having not really been able to hold a maxtrax board, can't really compare it. I can just show you what it is. So if you've seen a maxtrax itself, then you would know. But all right, so that's the unboxing. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. If this video helped you, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm gonna drop a video after this one of us doing I'm gonna do a little quick test on the beach. So that might be today, might be tomorrow, so that'll be coming out soon. I'm also working on getting a set of maxtrax boards to do a side-by-side test with these guys and see how they fare. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. It's Wednesday, almost to the weekend.